Hello everyone, welcome to the channel uLearn Education Online. In today's video, we are going to see how to solve the mathematical problems based on the concept of inverting amplifier op-amp. Now let us see the basic definition of ideal inverting amplifier op-amp. As we know that this inverting amplifier is nothing but the input signal is applied to the negative terminal of an op-amp. So we can say that is an inverting circuit, and here a closed loop structure is used in order to amplify the input signal. So we can say that the total circuit is an inverting amplifier circuit. Okay, here we are considering the ideal case. We know that for the ideal case, the output voltage of an ideal inverting amplifier circuit value will be minus Rf by R1 into Vi. This equation already we derived in our previous videos. If you have any doubt, please check that video. So by considering this formula, we can solve the basic problems. Now first they have given the problem, that is find the output voltage of the inverting amplifier circuit. Okay, so this is the inverting amplifier circuit they have given. From this circuit I can write the Vi value they mentioned is 1 volt, and the input resistance R1 they have given 10 kilo ohms, and the feedback resistance Rf is equal to 60 kilo ohms. Now what they have asked, simply they have asked the output voltage V0 from the basic formula, that is V0 is equal to minus Rf by R1 into Vi. From this simply substitute the values in equation, we can get the output voltage. Rf they have given is 60 kilo ohms, so minus 60k by R1 is 10k and Vi is 1 volt. So finally the output voltage for this problem we are obtained as minus 6 volts. So this is the way how to solve the given problem. Now let us see the second model they have given, that is find the output voltage of the inverting amplifier with the gain minus 4 and the input voltage as 0.25 volts. So here they have given the input voltage as 0.25 volts and the gain they have given. Now what gain they have given? They have given the closed loop gain of inverting amplifier, and the closed loop gain we obtained as minus 4. They have given minus 4. So as we know that the closed loop gain definition is nothing but the ratio of output voltage to the input voltage. So V0 by Vi they have given as minus 4. So finally V0 is equal to minus 4 times of Vi. Since they have given Vi value as 0.25, simply substitute in this equation. So finally we will get V0 as minus 4 into 0.25. So V0 value is equal to minus 1 volt. So in this way, by knowing the basic definition of gain value, we can simply calculate the V0 value even if there is no given parameters of feedback resistance and also the R1 value. Okay, this is one model. And next see the last model. So it is again based on the definition of inverting amplifier circuit. Here they have asked to find the output voltage for the inverting amplifier circuit, given Rf as 40 kilo ohms and R1 as 10 kilo ohms and input voltage as 3 volts. So they have given Rf value as 40 kilo ohms, R1 value as 10 kilo ohms and input voltage Vi value as 3 volts, and they have given the inverting amplifier circuit. So for this ideal inverting amplifier circuit, the output voltage formula V0 is minus Rf by R1 into Vi. Simply substitute the values that are given, that is Rf is 40 and 40k and R1 is 10k into Vi they have given it is 3. Okay, k cancel, 0 cancel. So finally minus 4 into 3, which is equal to minus 12 volts. So finally the V0 value we are obtained as minus 12 volts. In this way we can solve the given problems by remembering the basic definition of inverting amplifier circuit and also the formula of ideal inverting amplifier circuit. Thank you.